Good afternoon, class A students. Today we will learn exercise 2.4, question number 1, 2, and 3 only. Last class I've said that next class we will do question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. But the explanation will be long. Since the explanation will be long, we will do question number 1 to 3 only today. Let's begin the class. This type of question is already learned in exercise 2.2, but it is slightly different from exercise 2.2, and it is quite hard compared to exercise 2.2. Listen to the explanation carefully and try to understand the question and my explanation. Let's begin the class. In exercise 2.4, question number 1, we have a question of Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? We are saying in this type of question, I told you to translate in our own language and understand the question first. And try to make, after understanding the question, try to make the equation. If you can make the equation correctly, it is very easy to solve, because most type of the equations are normally look at exercise 2.3, question number 1 to 10. It will comes in this form of equation. In this type of equation, it will come like this. If you can translate this sentence into this type of equation, you can solve the question very easily. But it is quite tricky and hard to understand this type of question. It also needs time to understand. So please don't be in a hurry to solve the question. So the first question is saying that Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So since we don't know what Amina thinks of that number, we should consider that unknown number be x again. You can use any alphabet letter A, B, C, like that. You can use any, since x is a very common common example of unknown number. I'm just taking x. You can take any alphabet letter. C multiplies the result by 8. Now we can have one equation. How is that? Let's see. Since we don't know what Amina thinks of, let the number be x. Then Amina thinks of a number, subtract 5 by 2 from it. From means atrangin katito ha. From means, therefore we have x minus from 5 by 2 from it. Then she multiplies the result by 8. After solving this, x minus 5 by 2, the result is multiplied by 8. First, we have an equation. Then, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? We don't know number. We have to find out this one. We have to find out this one. Then, the third sentence is saying the result now obtained is 3 times, means the result now obtained, this result now obtained is 3 times, means 3 times the number of what Amina is thinking, 3x. The same number she thought of. What is the number she thought of? This number. This number she thought of is 3 times the number she thought of. Then we can find out the unknown number. So in order to find out the unknown number, we take LCM since we found out the LCM, 8 2s are 16x minus we delete the bracket, 8 5s are 40 by 2 is equal to 3x, then 16x by 2 minus 40 by 2 is equal to 3x. 16x by 2 minus 3x is equal to 40 by 2. Take LCM again. 16x minus 6x is equal to 40 by 2. Since the denominator are same, we can cut right away. Then 16x minus 6 is 10x by 40. X is equal to 40 by 10. Then the unknown number is x. 4. The unknown number is 4. So the answer is 4. So trong kan soi nga amina chuan number ngai tua chu number ngai to chu 5 by 2 in amaina sa chuanin khami number ngai to le 5 by 2 amaina snuwa khan a result kha pariatin a multiply le a chuan chu a multiply nuwa chuan chumi chuan khami a number ngai tua x a ngai tua tanga hmun thum kha aron alata a hmun thum kan timeng chu puntir ni chu hmun thumin a puntir ta a kha number alaga kha chuanin chu number chu zong chuak ro ti ni a chuanin kan answer chu 4 ani a chuanin equation siam nan tur kha thadeuin kan ngai tuanga. Let's move on to question number 2. In question number 2, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? It is saying. So, a positive number is 5 times another number. Since here we don't know the positive numbers, let's assume that number be x. So we have, let the positive number be x, then another number be 5x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, so if 21 is added to both the numbers, we have x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. Then the question is also saying, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. Let's say this one is the original new number and this one is the another number. So one of the new number becomes twice. Twice means 2. You know that, right? Twice the number of the another number. New number, twice new number becomes another number. It is like that. So we have an equation of 2x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. What are the numbers? So we have to find out what are the numbers. It's saying it is a plural, so we have to find out. First we find out x, then we find out 5x again. So let's solve this one. 2x plus 20 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. So 2x minus 5x is equal to 21 minus 42 minus 3x is equal to minus 121. So we can cut minus and minus. X is equal to 21 by 3 is equal to 7. So if the first number is positive number is x, and another number will be 5 into 7, because it is considered as 5x. So we already find out the value of x, which is 7. Then we can have, what are the numbers? The two numbers are 7 and 35. Question number 2 ka positive number to 5 times positive number to hun nga puntira khan number dang ai khan positive number ka mun nga in atlem ati mayang chan chu mun nga number pakha choka punti ra wang khan chuan chumin huwa chuan number somni pakhat kha chu number pahni a chuan kan bel nuwa number original number a in kha original kha another number kati kha ai khan original number kha hun ni in kan puntir le a chuanin number chu zong chuak ro ti ni a khata khan ching devin kan ngai tuanga equation kan siam chodan turte kan ngai tuanga chuan man mo lawila a har ve a tiang question te hi chu tlema a chaw sa bai hat ngai te hi om ve a chan du hriat reng thei lowa a bai hat chi che ni ve a match bi ka phei chuan tiang question sentence question hi kan chok na zen lowa kan chaw ve chun hi tlemin kan chaw khata wang hen a har kan ti tlang phe chu wang chuan by heart system te po khan kalila khi chu by heart system hi apoi ka tilawa sikul kan kal chung ani chuan chan chu kan thei ngil le khan kan chok thiam lo ngal top zela a question kan an chira har kan ti thin em awangin chu wang chuan by heart kha poi lo ti kha karon soitel du ni question number 3 hi mizo tongin han soi ma sa jokila a question hi tricky em a chaw dan chi tam taka oma ka chaw dan chaw lo po hian mun dang f jang te point lo en thaya le mi chaw dan dang te point lo en thaya ka chaw dan kha adik ber ani ti karon soi adik ber ani karon ti du lova chuan ka chaw dan po hi adik lo ani karon ti chung lowa adika answer ka mudika chu wang chuan chaw dan chi sang sang om thaya in chaw dan kha answer a in an vek chuan adikani ti kham lo hriat sakula question number 3 bi ka hian question hi a har ve emema chuwang chuan thadewin in lo ngai thlanga in lo chi ka ngai lo ziranga question a lu taila sum of the digits of two number is 9 when we interchange the digit it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27 what is the two digit number for this explanation first we have to understand that let's take any number but that true number we don't know, but let's consider it. Let's take 1 plus 2. No, since it is 9, let's take 1 plus 8 you can take 7 plus 2 also, any number which total 9. So let's take 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Since the question is saying sum of two-digit number is 9, sum of two-digit number, let's consider 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Then when we interchange the digit, this interchange means 1 plus 8 means when we interchange it is found that the result new number is greater than the original number by 27. This interchange means 1 and 8. 1 and 8, this is not 18, this is 1 and 8. 1 and 8. This interchange, if we interchange this number, this is 1's tens digit. If we interchange, it becomes 8 and 1. This is the interchange I'm saying. This will comes here. This will comes here. This is the interchange. Found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. This, after interchanging this number, still the number is added with 27, since 8, if we interchange 1 and 8 to 8 and 1, this 8 and 1 is still greater than the original number. This is the original number. Original number is greater than 27. The question is saying that we should add 27. So this is the type of question we will be dealing. But since we don't know this number, how we will make the equation? First of all, we have to consider the unknown number be x again. Nine x plus 9.